whenever this gets recorded and put on YouTube. Thank you everyone. A successful McKinney T10 5th edition. A round of applause for McKinney T10. What a fantastic tournament this has been. Congratulations to DFW Kingsman on 2 clinical performances today. Hard luck to Dallas Spartans, but you guys played well, and there's still some money for us, so don't feel too bad for yourselves. All right, let's start off with the volunteers, the people that make this tournament possible, and to give out the medals to the volunteers, I would like to call Ayaz Sheikh to hand them out. One of the veterans of NTCA, one of the hardest hitting batsmen that Dallas has seen. And I'll call out the volunteers. Come on out and get your medals quickly. Hamdan, OS, and OS number 2. OS Fez, champion commentator. Tariq Jabbar or TJ.
Yay! My dad's
Nadir. Waqas, volunteer as well as a player.
Okay.
Adil,
Hi, that's mine.
Farhan, with Farhan, please go ahead. You would have seen him with that camera hanging high. Talha Sayyed. And very special thanks to Darshan for putting up all of the live streaming. Darshan, please come here. Great job. Kashif, the captain of the team that won last year, this time taking a medal as a volunteer, and Hamad Shoni. And for the medal to give out the medal for the umpires, I'd like to call on West to call out their names. Not to hand them the medals, but to call out the names. The first one is Chetan. It's a thankless job, guys, so please a round of applause for the umpires. I mean, it's never a wide, it's never an LBW, so it's never a thankful job. Second one, Abhi. And Pana. Great job, guys. Very well done. And would like to call on Mohsin Khan, another veteran of NTCA, to hand out our plaques to the sponsors. The sponsors are not here, so Darshan will collect all of the plaques for our sponsors. K Square is the first one, Kohash, and Badilal. Thank you for our sponsors. This tournament, again, would not have been possible without the contribution that you guys made. So the first award that we're going to give out to a player will be Man of the Match for the finals. I'd like to call Ravi Govind to give out the Man of the Match award. NTCA Vice President Ravi Govind. Round of applause for Ravi, guys. There was a lot of work for cricket in Dallas. And without much of a doubt, the man of the match for the final game of the 5th edition of McKinney T10 is Awais Zia.
अवैध भाई थैंक यू
Ravi, can you stay on for the best batsman? All right, so the next award is for the best batsman of the tournament. And the best batsman of the tournament award goes to Sujit Gowda.
थैंक यू
Thank you, Aziz bhai. Thank you, Ravi. Darshan, could you come on stage to present the Best Bowler Award? Best Bowler, any guesses, guys? Best Bowler for McKinney T10 5th edition is Haseeb Azam. 15 wickets in the tournament. Is Rakesh here?
Right here.
For the MVP award, I'd like to hand over the mic to Aziz bhai, as he would like to say a few words.
Thank you guys, and big thank you to Rakesh Gidam of NDCC Royals. He has been graciously sponsoring the MVP for the past few years, and this time again he has given $500 to the MVP. This is in addition to the other best batsman, best bowler. So this year the the MVP of the tournament was a little bit of a tight race between, of course, Sujit Gowda, who topped the batting ranks, and also he took wickets, and then also Awais Zia was close second. I spoke with the owner of Dallas Knights, Kalyan Chakri Saab, and he has graciously agreed to our suggestion of splitting the MVP this year, because it's such a tight race, and Awais also brought the team to the finals. So this year we will split the award of $500 equally, 250 each, between Sujit Gowda and Awais Zia. So I think Sujit is not here, so Awais Zia, could you please come and collect your...
Is the Dallas Knights captain here to collect the award on behalf of Sujit? I guess he left.
Ranvi.
Brilliant performance by Awais Zia, not only the man of the match for the finals, co-MVP of the 5th edition of the McKinney T10. I'd like to call a local celebrity, Shah Saab, to present to the awards table. Now the champion of second innings. And for the runners-up, I'd like to call the Dallas Spartans captain to collect his trophy. And Ravi Govind as well, the owner of Dallas Spartans. Congrats, guys. $500 award to the runners-up. A fantastic effort by Dallas Spartans. Came up short in the finals, but it was great to get to the finals, and a spirited performance. Round of applause, guys. And now I'd like to call Najaf bhai to the awards table, please. And now we'll start off with the medals for the winning team. So if the winning team can come, each player one by one to collect their medals.
Najaf bhai.
And we also have a souvenir shirt for the owner of DFW Kingsman. If you could please come up, Ikra, if you could please come up to the awards table and collect your shirt and your medal. Salman as well, Ikra and Salman, the owners of DFW Kingsman.
Ikra bhai, एक picture. Salman bhai. Thank you.
And now for the grand prize and the trophy for the winners of the 5th edition of McKinney T10, DFW Kingsman. $3,000 prize.
Imran bhai.
If we could get the owners as well.
Asif bhai.
Truly well deserved. Great performances in the playoffs. Thank you ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. We'll see you back in the 6th edition.